1998, he started doing carpet cleaning, and he never gave up. He kept insisting his dream. He kept insisting in hard work, and I think that's one of the stories that keeps in my mind how one person could just definitely make his dream happen. Started in PRC in a small office, I believe. Then he started an office in Freeman, down in Signal Hill. So those who have known Pedro for a while, you guys visited that office. Started very small too. Then from there we went out to PRC Restoration back in Signal Hill in Gardena Avenue. Now we started growing, and when I jumped into that company, it was the same thrill. As I kept seeing his dreams, and he kept telling me every single day and said, look at this warehouse, and we're gonna do this, and we're gonna do that, and this is what's gonna happen. And I believed, and I think we all believed. I mean, we worked hard at it. And as things progressing, things happening, we started getting one more machine, and every machine we got, it was so exciting to get that machine, and we started using it, and we're like, okay, we get first job, let's go use it. And that was just fantastic. Now we're in a new journey, and I just gotta say, this is our new home, and your home as well.